Before you consider buying Carbon6, there are 7 things you absolutely need to know to make sure you're making the right decision. Whether you're new to the software or exploring your options, knowing these key points will save you time, money, and frustration. In this video, we'll dive into what sets Carbon6 apart from its competitors. So stick with me till the end. Trust me, you'll want to hear everything before you take the plunge. Let's start by talking about Aspas. Its ease of use. When compared to other industry leaders, Carbon6 really stands out with its simple interface. Many platforms tend to overload users with complicated features that can overwhelm newcomers. But Carbon6 takes a different approach by focusing on intuitive design and smooth navigation. If you're looking for a user-friendly option that doesn't require an army of IT experts, Carbon6 is an excellent choice. It's straightforward and gets you up and running in no time, which is something you'll appreciate when comparing it to more complex tools like Salesforce or HubSpot. Next thing to keep in mind is the versatility of its features. Carbon6 isn't just a one-trick pony. It offers an all-in-one solution for things like marketing automation, analytics, and CRM. What's really impressive is how these tools are seamlessly integrated. Unlike other tools where you need to purchase additional integrations or third-party add-ons, Carbon6 has it all built in. It's like having a powerful Swiss Army knife for your business. Whether you're running ad campaigns or managing client relations, you can streamline everything into one platform without any messy integrations. Now let's talk about its pricing structure. While many competitors like ActiveCampaign or MailChimp can get pricey as your business scales, Carbon6 offers more transparency and flexibility in its pricing plans. They give you the freedom to pay based on the features you actually need, rather than locking you into a one-size-fits-all solution. The flexibility makes it an attractive option for small businesses that are just starting out, as well as for larger enterprises that want to scale without breaking the bank. The fourth thing worth noting is the customer support. Carbon6 provides outstanding customer service, which is often a pain point for many software platforms. With 24/7 support, you won't be left in the dark if you run into any issues. This is a big plus when compared to platforms like Zoho, which have received mixed reviews for their customer support. The team at Carbon6 is known for being quick, helpful, and efficient, which can make all the difference when you're trying to resolve issues fast. Fifth, let's talk about automation capabilities. If you're trying to save time, Carbon6 excels in this area. Its automation features allow you to set up workflows and processes that run on autopilot. For example, if you're running email marketing campaigns, you can automatically segment your audience, trigger actions based on user behavior, and even send personalized messages, all without lifting a finger. In comparison to competitors like ActiveCampaign, Carbon6 takes automation to the next level by making it even easier to implement and manage without getting bogged down by unnecessary complexities. The sixth thing you should know about Carbon6 is its analytics and reporting tools. Data is everything in digital marketing, and Carbon6 gives you detailed insights into campaign performance, customer engagement, and more. Their reporting tools are robust, but the best part is that they provide you with actionable insights, not just raw data. You'll be able to make informed decisions that help you optimize your campaigns and improve your ROI. This is where many other platforms fall short, providing you with data that's too complex or hard to understand. And finally, the free trial. Yes, you heard me right. Carbon6 offers a risk-free trial, and it's the best way to see if it's the right fit for your business. You can test out all the features and get a feel for the platform without any commitments. Unlike other software that offers limited trials or restricts features, Carbon6 gives you full access. This means you can dive deep into the software, explore its capabilities, and see for yourself how it compares to other options. So, if you're ready to see what Carbon6 can do for your business, click the first link in the description below to start your free trial. You'll also get exclusive benefits to make your experience even better. Trust me, once you experience all that Carbon6 has to offer, you'll understand why it's such a game changer in the world of digital marketing software.